Good morning, dear students, and welcome back. Today, for once again, I am happy and delighted to be with you to start the next topic of your syllabus. And this topic is an interesting poem. And this poem is written by a famous Indian English writer, Rabindranath Tagore. Dear students, I think you have understand the topic. The topic is I cannot remember my mother. Before starting the poem, let me discuss briefly the life sketch of the poet. Dear students, the poet is Rabindranath Tagore. His father name was Maharishi Rabindranath Tagore. He is also known as Gurudev, and he was born on 7th of May 1861 at Kolkata in a Bengali Brahmin family, and he passed away on 7th of August 1941 at the same place at Kolkata. He was a great Bengali poet, dramatist, novelist, musician, and an artist. He was the first person who has received the Nobel Prize for Literature from the Asian continent in 1913 on his great work Gitanjali. He has written the national anthem for India, so that is why he is known as the National Poet of India. He is honored to write the national anthem for Bangladesh too. So, he has also founded a university at Shanti Niketan under the title Vishwa Bharati University to promote the Indian culture. So, he is known as the father of Bengali schools of thought. He is also known as the bird of Bengal. As I have already told you, he is known as the national poet of India. He was a devoted Hindu philosopher and a true believer of Gandhian philosophy. So let me start the poem stanza wise with you. So listen carefully. I am going to recite the first stanza for you. So, dear student, listen. I cannot remember my mother. Only sometime in the midst of my play, a tune seemed to hover over my plaything, the tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. This is the first couplet of the poem. So, in this couplet, the poet is saying to us, I had lost my mother in his infancy. The poet is saying us, he has lost his mother when he was a little child in his infancy. So he remembers nothing about her. When his mother died, he was too young to know anything about her. However, he has a faint recollection of his mother. In these lines, the poet says that he recollects his mother when a tune falls on his ears, sometime while playing with his toys. He senses a tune hovering over them. It is the tune of his mother's song, which she used to hum while rocking his cradle. This is all about the first stanza. Now in the second extract, what the poet is saying, I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning, the smell of shivli flowers floats in the air, the scent of the morning service in the temple come to me as the scent of my mother. In these lines, the poet says that he cannot remember his mother. She had died in his early childhood, so the poet does not remember anything about her. At that time, he was too young to know about her. However, a few things remind him of his mother. The poet says that the fragrance of the shivli flowers reminds him of his mother. Whenever in the early autumn morning the poet smells the sweet fragrance of the shivli flowers, he recollects his mother's. His mothers used to visit the temple with the shivli flowers for the morning service. The scent of the morning service in the temple seemed to the poet to be the scent of his mother. This is about the second extract. Now, the last couplet of the poem. I cannot remember my mother only when from my bedroom window I seem my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. So, in this line, the poet says that he cannot recollect anything about his mother as she had died in the early childhood. He doesn't know anything about her. However, he has a faint memories of his mother. The poet says that whenever he sits at the window of his bedroom and looks at the distant blue sky, he remembers his mother. He recalls how she used to bend over him and gaze at him silently. At that time, the poet feels as if his mother is still looking at him from above the distant blue sky. So, dear student, this was all about the poem, and this poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore, My Mother at 66. So, the poet was a little child, a young boy, when his mother was died. So, in this line, the poet has recollected some memories of his mother. So, this poem is a free verses poem. There is no rhyming scheme that is used in the poem. The poem has used the repetition techniques in the poem. Every stanza or extract has started from the line, I cannot remember my mother. So, dear student, this was all about the poem. I think you have understand the poem. So, stay at home, stay safe and stay blessed. Mola bless you all. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.